Alaikum, I am Muhammad Iftekhar Zaman Irfan and this is my portfolio. This is the default or home page of my portfolio. As you can see, this is my education, my CV. If you click on this button, my CV will be downloaded. And up over here, this is the about section of my home page. This is dynamic by using JavaScript, and this is the header and this is the footer. Both of them are inside .master, so this is same for every page of the front end of my portfolio. The footer has the social media links. If you click on GitHub, it will lead to my GitHub, and we also have an email direct link. If anyone clicks on that email link, they'll be able to send me email directly. This is my GitHub page. Also, we have LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. The animation has been done by JavaScript and little bit of CSS projects. Again, the animation has been done by JavaScript and CSS. And then there's credential. You can verify the credentials by clicking on the link. And then we have a contact us page. And all four of these pages, skills, projects, credentials, and contact us, are dynamic, completely dynamic. And while the first three are fetched from the database, the fourth one, the contact us page, stores into the database and shows us the user messages in our admin panel. For example, if you write a message here and click send, it will give us an alert and we will see that message in our admin panel later on. Now, clicking on the admin panel, it will lead us to our login page. If we type in our login credentials and log in, we will be logged in our dashboard of our admin panel. We do have implemented session and cookies here. This is coming from the session of ASP, and if we want to show cookies, we log back out and let me set it up. Okay, as you can see, if we log in, a cookie will be created over here, and if we log out, the cookie gets deleted. Now, back in the dashboard, we have the controllers of all the pages where we can manage the pages, the front-end pages from our backend, and this is the nav bar again. If we go to manage projects, the project gets showed up here. We can edit, delete, or even add new projects. For example, if we delete this last project, and coming back to our portfolio, if we go to projects, the fourth project has been deleted. We can add it back. As you can see, when we go back to the admin page, we don't have to log in again. This has been done by session, and we can add the project back again over here. Add new project, it will create a form over here. I'll fill it up. And if we click save project, it will be saved and it will appear here. And if we go back to our portfolio and projects, it will show up again over here. Similarly, we can manage credentials over here. Same stuffs. If we can manage skills, we can edit any kind of skill. For example, if we have Flutter over here, we can go ahead and change it to like 65 and update skills. These are all done in our database. Go back to dashboard to portfolio and skills. We have Flutter a little less than before. Now that the message we had sent before is been unread over here, if we click on view message, it will lead us to a contact page from the backend. And as you can see, this was the message I had sent previously. We can click to view it and reply via email. It will open our email sender. And the unread count has gone down. If we click this one as well, the unread becomes 0. We can mark it as unread as well. If we go back to admin panel, and then this is pretty much the backend of the database. And we have implemented another thing, and that is a custom query IDE for our database. The admin can run any kind of query on our database and get the result as a table over here. Any kind of query, any kind of custom query. Finally, the site is completely responsive. If we click on mobile view, this is our mobile view of the admin panel. The nav bar has been made into a slider. And if we go back into the front end, this nav bar has been turned into a hamburger menu. If we click on it, this is literally my hamburger menu. As you can see, clicking on it, it will lead us to our pages. All the pages have been made responsive, as well as the footer. And this image is kind of responsive. You can download the image from here. And this is the project of ASP .NET framework. And these are the files. These are the admin pages, and these are the front-end pages. Over here we have the JavaScript files, and over here we have the CSS files. These are the static images for our website. Only the image path have been saved in the database, and this is the database. As you can see over here, the tables, credential, contact messages, projects, and skills. The database name is portfolio. This is SSMS 21, and that was kind of it. Thanks